Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all the builders, DIYers, and power tool enthusiasts out there. We're unboxing the Dongcheng electric rotary hammer, model DZC02-28, so let's dive right in. Introducing the Dongcheng electric rotary hammer DZC02-28, a powerful and versatile tool built for heavy-duty performance on concrete and masonry surfaces. Engineered for professional use, this rotary hammer offers two-mode operation, allowing users to easily switch between rotary drilling and hammer-only demolition functions, making it ideal for a wide range of construction and renovation tasks. Equipped with a reliable SDS plus chuck system, the DZC02-28 ensures quick bit changes and strong bit retention, improving efficiency and reducing downtime on the job site.
DZC02. There you have your key for brush changing. And you have your lubricating cream here. You have your brush. And your manual. Manual is here. These are the ones here. The Dongcheng DZC02-28 electric rotary hammer. Very strong and effective. Durable. You can see this is where you put your bits and it down to the hammer.
The 960W rated power input delivers robust performance, generating an impact energy of 3.2 joules to tackle tough materials with ease. With a no-load speed of 1,000 revolutions per minute and a rated impact frequency of 5,000 impacts per minute, this tool is optimized for fast, effective drilling and chiseling. The rotary hammer boasts a maximum drilling capacity of 28 mm in concrete, making it suitable for anchor installations, pipework, and general construction use. Despite its power, it remains manageable at a weight of just 5.0 kilograms, with an auxiliary handle for enhanced control and comfort during operation. The Dongcheng DZC02-28 is a reliable and high-performing rotary hammer that meets the demands of both professionals and serious DIYers alike. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.